Hello everyone and welcome to another video of Lumber. So this game has been launched and I tried to transfer the value that I had to their exchange system that they list in. It's Biconomy and it's listed there. Actually a lot of listing is happening here and it was amazing and it was a great actually transfer. And in the Twitter they made a countdown and they said you can transfer it to Biconomy and you don't need to actually do the identification. I didn't do that, but I tried to transfer and here I create an account and I have my lumber here. See spots, we have lumber, but it's not the price that they set when you see on trade. Actually the price is listed here in charting and it was a high value on the start and then changed. So the price that they said in application, it was not the same price that they listed, but I got about 43 thousands of them and it's about $1 here, and it's not a big value, but if you're a trader you can trade on it, or you can stay to see what happened to the market of this. But it's actually growing here. And first of all, I tried to transfer from Ton, and you should pay some fees, gas fee, to transfer from Ton, but after paying gas fee I didn't see it in my wallet, and transaction was complete in Tonkeeper, but there wasn't any value in my account. I tried to contact them and I tried to contact Biconomy actually here, and it was a great response from them. Actually I tried to contact them about 2 hours, and they promised to that my values will not be let me find the please ensure funds are safe has been reported to the technical department and it's begin register and processed. And it took about 1 day to see my deposit here. It was a great actually support here. The answer, I think the starting conversation took about 5 or 6 minutes. On Biconomy it was great, and it was actually wonderful support here, as I identified user because I didn't do the verification. I just wanted to see what happened, and I see it in my wallet. I can withdraw it, I can deposit, I can trade with it, I can do anything with it, and they have their own token. It was actually great, but this exchange system support other tokens. It's launching other tokens actually. Some of its tokens are not even, you see, listing fight that it's for it was for Trump, and a lot of tokens and options. I think it's a great um, exchange system, and I had no idea that what's gonna happen here, and it was really great when I saw my value here today. And this one is launched, and it's gonna be on phase 2 in some days. In a few days you'll be able to do multiplayer and a lot of things, as they said, and it's gonna be grow. Let me just check the Telegram to see the lumber here. Yes, I'm seeing lumber here, and CG Coin, they put another one here, but I think the game is not over. You see, you can open it here or not. Because there was NFT here. NFT, no, it's not over. Actually, you can. Whoa, the market is here, the value, and okay, that's great. You can still play, and you can connect your wallet here. You can, I think mint is not to start yet, but you can mint your NFT here, and it was actually a great. I will do everything that I can for this to check what's gonna happen here, and see what we're gonna do with it. But it was a great one. Actually, I didn't think that this gonna happen, but happened. And I will follow up with other Web3 games and see what happens. I'll put the link of this exchange system on the description, and the Telegram account of Lumber. Check whatever happens there and see what value you will get. And if you had any problem, just ask them. They will respond so fast, and they're so great. The Biconomy system is so great. I didn't think that they will do this. They're doing great job. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will have more Web3 games, and Web3 launches actually started, and I would like to hear about your comments and everything. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.